be playing Beast Storm. Let me join. That was weird. Okay. That was almost like a glitch. That was almost like a glitch. Weird, but okay. Beast Storm Simulator. No, my charger fell off. No, my charger fell off. Charger. Hey, I'm just gonna go. Please don't be laggy. Please don't be laggy. Like, how is it already full? How is it already full? I didn't do anything. I did not. Wait, what? I didn't do anything. What pollen? Wow. Weird. That's weird. So weird. I'm gonna get another egg. Oh yeah, I'm gonna get another egg. Oh yeah, I have enough money. Okay. Yeah. Okay. Leave shop. I'm gonna go to my hive. That way. Oh, somebody can go to the 10 zone. Oh, that's cool. Okay, let me just put my bee in. Let me put my bee in. Oh, what the hell? Ooh, basic bee? Wow.
Yeah, not so good.
No, that's not so good.
Can you go for night essay?
So right now he is in his meeting and I need to reconnect. Wow.
You know why I was in the room so long? Because I was eating cheese. Did you pause it?
Yeah, it's on pause right now.
Oh, okay, bye.
And he's about to go to his meeting right now, which bums because I go in 25 minutes. Act like go in like, let's see, 15 minutes actually. And while I'm doing this, I'll get more pollen. Honey. I'll get more honey. And then I will get him a better bag because this bag is small. Is he in the club? No, he's not in the club. Wow. Oh, wait. Oh. So, have we ever got that one up there? That's the question. Have I? No, it's still up there. I'm gonna get that. The moonspot has appeared. Where? That's the thing. Where? So should I do it? I don't know. Defeat the ladybug now. Defeat it. Yeah, defeat it. You're defeated. So while that is there, and then I jump up here, jump. Let's see, jump. Let's see. So I will pause the video until I make this. I've decided to not do that because apparently I can't. So I'm gonna have to stop trying to do that when I know I can't do it. So look at that guy. Yeah, I need to do something about this. So I know I'm going to do this now. I know I'm going to sing about that royal jelly.
Check your sister cuánto tiene.
Frank, you give me the power.
Not paying attention. No.
What's your lasers?
I need a little bit more, but I can get it. Too easy.
See these lasers? Dude, you can go past the lasers.
I only got questions.
So I got.
Good, but I need to get more quests. Especially get more eggs, because I need to level up my bees, which I can level up one of mine. I need to level up all of them to level 1. I'm gonna complete this quest and go back and get my 200. Yeah, there, just fill my backpack. Fill it up. Please, fill it up. Yeah, I feel it should be full by now. But it's not, so I'm okay, not full.
What animal waits at night? Owl. Oh my god, I knew it! Hey, get at me, bro. You wanna watch us or
Charge now?
I totally need a new backpack. You know what I can get 250.
Steven, I didn't say. This guy needs charge. He always forgets charge his thing. Really irresponsible guy.
What was Jenny not moving?
She needs to charge her food. That's what I said.
I'm gonna get a new backpack. Yeah, there's. Wait, no, I wanted to buy it. Got it, so it's 750. I can complete this quest. Ah. So, if I can get a golden egg silver egg, I can. I won't be till later. 400, good. Going up to 200, good. Let's see if I can jump up there. If I can. Micro converter is there. Thank goodness. I did not know it gave you 3. Put it there. Just I know this way, I'm going to go this way. Man, there's a lot of stuff in here. There's always hungry and there's jelly beans. It's the way of the jelly beans. Man, I'm so slow. Something over here, I forgot. Anything. Yeah, ticket, how much? Yes, I can buy a royal jelly. So you don't get a bomber bee. It's already on level 2. And plus, I just paused the video because I was trying to do codes, and I did do one of them, and I got about like 5 types of bees with 3 bees, but yeah, it's not going so well. If I can get some more code, but I'm only doing this because apparently there's hardly any. I do not have Brave Bee though. Okay, Bees Buzz. So, looks like I'm just automatically leveling up bees. It's already it's up to level 5. So, yeah. Let's see how much. Won't be hard. Actually, harder than I thought. Yes, level 3, that should be a good level. Yes, level 1. So I just did that, and I will keep on doing this code. I have. Oh yeah, I'm a minute late. I'm at the pause the video right here. So it's gonna be paused for now. I'm gonna end the video right here. Hope you enjoyed it. Bye.